Hello, dear ones. Today I'm guided to talk about quantum physics, quantum mechanics, because it sounds complex, but it's really not. And it's important that you know this because it plays a very important role in getting what you want in life. Did I get your attention there? Yes. Learn this so you know how to get what you want in life. Okay, so we are physical matter made up of subatomic particles called kalapas. It's a Sanskrit word that I first heard from our Vipassana teacher S.N. Cuenca in one of our discourses. So the enlightened one taught his disciples that everything that exists at the material level is composed of these kalapas. So kalapas are material units very much smaller than atoms, which die out immediately after they come into being. So, to a developed student in Vipassana meditation, they can be felt as a stream of energy. So, everything you see is made up of energy. Yes, we are made up of the smallest unit of physical matter that appears and disappears, and we are also energy. Okay, so now that you understand what you are made of, what I will talk about next is your emotion because your emotion is also energy, energy in motion. Have you ever walked in a room with people and you felt heavy? How about the time when you walk in a room with people and you felt light? When it feels heavy, it means there's dark and negative energy there. So immediately your reaction would be to leave the room, right? So do you know what Hertz vibration scale is? I put this scale in the appendix section of my first book. And depending on what you are feeling, the emotion has a designated frequency in the scale. So when the energy emotion is heavy or negative, it appears low in the scale. So when you have this kind of emotion, you're vibrating in lower frequency. The higher frequency you are, the better, because that's what I mean whenever you hear me say stay in high vibe. All right. So what are low frequency emotions? Hey, like guilt, hatred, anger, worry, jealousy, insecurity, doubt, pessimism, frustration, impatience, rage, powerlessness, irritation. Conversely, higher frequency emotions are love, happiness, joy, passion, enthusiasm, hopefulness, contentment, freedom, eagerness, optimism, belief, positivity, empowerment, right? So we experience all of these emotions in our life, right? So ultimately the goal is to always stay in high vibe, but it's not that easy, right? So I just told you in the beginning that when you understand quantum physics, then it will get you will be able to get whatever it is that you want once you understand it. So you're probably asking, what the heck does that even mean, right? First, let me tell you what quantum mechanics or quantum physics. It's the body of scientific laws that describe the wacky behavior of photons, electrons, and other subatomic particles that make up the universe. Quantum physics is about understanding energy, vibration, and frequency in our body. So remember what Tesla said: if you want to know the secret of the universe, think in terms of energy, vibration, and frequency. So you want to know how powerful you are? I'll tell you. Whatever kind of life you are living in right now, you created that. So if you don't like what you created so far, then create something else. And it is as simple as shifting your consciousness, your mindset, your thoughts, your language. I mean, I teach all of these to you guys in my previous videos. And this is a common misconception. Most people think that you attract what you want. No, it doesn't work like that. That's why some people said that law of attraction doesn't work. You attract opportunities and people that will help you get what you want. You co-create the life that you want by taking action. So watching Netflix and browsing on social media hours after hours is not going to get you close to your dream life. Just saying. All right, so this is Aquarian humanitarian's formula to your dream life using quantum mechanics. Okay, number one, decide. Know what you want because the universe cannot give you what you want when you yourself are not even sure what you want. Number two, intent. Set an intent to achieve whatever it is that you want. Forget about the how. That's the universe's job to deliver it to you. Number three, practice mindfulness. Always be aware of the present moment and print the emotion frequency scale and make it your phone or your PC wallpaper or something so you can see what frequency you are tuned in. Turn up your vibration. because you're the only person you can turn up that energy, frequency, vibration inside you. That's how powerful you are. Number four, release. Observe any negative thoughts and release it with love. Number five, transmute. You are a powerful alchemist, so transmute any negative energy to positive energy. Number six, always practice gratitude and journaling. Keep a gratitude journal. It makes a difference. Track what you're doing 24/7. Are you doing things that is moving you towards your goals? It helps when you document things. You guys will laugh at this, but this is what I've been doing. It's now become a habit. As a CPA, working for CPA firms for decades, and like lawyers, we charge our time to our customers. So we have a billing rate. So we charge our client every 50 minutes. So I have multiple clients, so I track my time every 15 minutes. And even though I haven't worked in CPA firm, I still track what I do in a day. So it just becomes a habit. And I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I feel discouraged when I'm working on a project which I feel I should have been done already. So what I would do is I would look at my calendar and figure out what I've been putting my time into, and then I make an adjustment. So you might try something like that. And I become more intentional. I give myself due dates, and it has worked for me. So try it because if you don't set a target date, it will probably not get done. And if you don't see it in your head that it's done, it's not going to get done. Everything must be created in the mind, in the spiritual realm to manifest in the physical world. Number seven, I say this in my first book. You have to think, you have to feel, you have to act, you have to speak as if you are already living your best life and you're grateful. This will align you to the frequency of what it is that you want. Number eight, surround yourself with people who will inspire and motivate you. I kept saying this to you guys, meditate, use affirmation, chant the Ho'oponopono, stay in high vibe. Last month, I posted a video and shared 5 things I'm doing that's keeping me in high vibe. Please watch that. Number nine, be committed and repeat steps 3 and 8 until you get what you want. Do not get up. Do not give up. Okay, guys, don't let your dream die with you. All right, dear ones, I hope you learned something today. Until next time.